Introducing the JUNLIT Outdoor Smart Plug, the perfect addition to your outdoor electrical appliances. This waterproof and heavy-duty smart socket comes with 2 independent AC sockets, allowing you to control your devices effortlessly. With the Smart Life app, you can manage your Christmas lights from anywhere, inside or outside your home, using your phone. The JUNLIT Outdoor Smart Plug is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, enabling you to control your devices using voice commands. Say goodbye to manual operation and enjoy the convenience of hands-free control. Never worry about forgetting to turn off your outdoor plugs again. With the timer and scheduling feature, you can set specific times for your devices to turn on or off. This not only helps to reduce energy waste but also contributes to environmental protection. You can even set up automatic programming based on sunrise and sunset time. Designed for outdoor use, this smart plug has a waterproof shell and a dust-proof socket cover to protect against the elements. It is perfect for your garden, backyard, Christmas tree, landscape lighting, garage, terrace, or electrical grill. However, please note that it should not be used with pumps. Your safety is our priority. The JUNLIT Smart Wi-Fi Outdoor Socket has passed FCC, ETL certification and comes with a flame retardant case and overload protection circuit to ensure the utmost security for you and your family. It also makes a great gift for your loved ones during summer holidays and Christmas. If you have any questions or encounter any problems with the JUNLIT Outdoor Smart Plug, please don't hesitate to contact us. Our friendly customer service team will be happy to assist you. Order your JUNLIT Outdoor Smart Plug now and experience the convenience and efficiency of smart outdoor control.